In less than an hour, do you want to see your PayPal notifications like this? $275, $350, $500, and $650. All the possibilities. Isn't it fantastic? Maybe you want a new phone or computer, or maybe you want to buy your own dream home or a new car. Perhaps you want to give back to your loved ones because with just $900 every day, a lot of things could change for the better. And it all starts with this 10-minute video you're watching right now. In today's video, keep an eye on what's going on since it will have an impact on your life. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, before we get to the website, you'll need to create and have your own PayPal account. So, go to paypal.com and create an account for free by clicking this button. Simply fill out the required information and log in to your own PayPal account. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can open up your own bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a completely free account on that online banking website. First and foremost, I want you to go to this website called Respondent, which you can find the link that I'm about to share with you in a bit. So basically, you can easily make PayPal money by visiting these websites. Now, I want you to stick with me because somewhere in this video, I'll show you how to make money like $250, $300, and $600 over and over again. And best of all, at the end of this video, I'll show you another hit and wait strategy to make double the money in PayPal faster while letting others do all the hard work for you. Make sure you're tuned in to avoid missing out. Now, when you get to this website's homepage, click the Get Started button over here and you'll see this. First, let's double check that you're in the proper spot. Now, do you want to sign up as a researcher or a researcher participant? Now, remember to click on this, I am a research participant, because we'll be paid in PayPal money for participating in various research projects on this website. So click on this URL right here and click on the sign up as a participant, and you can sign up using a social media account by simply entering your email address and clicking on the sign up button. Otherwise, you can sign up using your Facebook account or your LinkedIn profile. It's a fairly quick sign-up process, but make sure you check your email inbox to validate your account and activate your registration. So, once you get into your account, proceed to your dashboard where you can browse through different projects to earn PayPal money online on this website. Now, as you can see, there are a variety of projects right on the dashboard, and as I scroll down, I can see that there are literally hundreds of projects to choose from, all of which are completely free and have only recently been posted. Now, as I scroll down, we can see that this one just posted lately, and this website is really active. They're continuously adding new projects that you can join and earn money quickly and easily. You can now click on this Load More button as you scroll down to the bottom, as seen below, and they load up hundreds of other projects that you can join right now on this website and get paid a lot of money. So please pay close attention because this is really important, and I'd want to give you the first idea about this website. Now, you can see that there are various types of projects in which you can participate to earn PayPal money. There are 6 main categories of projects on this website that you can join in order to make PayPal money: software developers, marketers, executives, sales and support, business owners, and software users. Depending on the project, you'll be paid a varying amount of money. Now, it states average hourly incentive with this amount, then this category is around for this amount. This one right here will pay this much, and so on. So for the time being, I'd like you to concentrate on just 2 of these main categories in order to make the most money. The first is the executives category, where you can make extra money for only an hour. You can see here that you can get an extra $200 in just an hour, and the second is the business owners category, where you can earn an extra $500 in each hour. It is important that you join the category for business owners and executives, and this is the first step that I want to share with you. Now, once you've logged in to your account, you'll see a filter button that allows us to limit down our selections and choose which projects we want to participate in. On here, I want you to select Remote, which is important because there are a total of this many projects, and selecting Remote will begin filtering out other projects that are open for you to work on. This means you may work whenever and wherever you want, and by filtering out the search results, you can narrow down the tasks to only a few, because some of them require you to meet them in person. That is to say, you must travel and be present in order to work on projects. Now, of course, we don't want you to do that since we just want to work from home. Checking our phones or turning on our computers allows us to work as much or as little as we like. As a result, it is important that you choose Remote, and there are still hundreds of projects to choose from. Okay, stay with me now because the next thing you can do on this website is to filter out how much money you want to earn on this particular job by compensation range. For example, you may start with $10 and work your way up to $1,000. Now, if you scroll this one right here to about $150, somewhere between $150 and $1,000, we can see here these different projects that will pay you on this particular range, which is $150 to $1,000. Here is how much money you can earn, and if I scroll down below, you can even get paid at a higher rate, for example, $350. And just look at all these high-paying projects that you can join. There are plenty of them that will pay you even up to $600 in free money. So I want you to narrow out the compensation range to around $150 to $1,000 so you can join all projects that offer you more PayPal money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, returning to the video, here's the estimated time it'll take you to complete a project. For example, this one will pay you a good amount of money and will be completed in a short amount of time. This one will take a little longer, but will pay you this amount of free PayPal money, and this one will take a little longer, but will pay you this amount of free PayPal money, and you can filter the time on the section right here. You can modify the duration of the project you want to join. For example, if you want to join all the projects, you can just set the duration to anywhere between 5 and 60 minutes. As you can see, based on your filter results, there are only this many projects available. In this case, we chose a payout range of $150 to $1,000 and expected duration of 5 to 6 minutes. So if you're interested in participating in this project, simply click on the project's title, which can be found here. Here is the expected time duration for the job, and you can receive this amount as a free payment if you follow the guidelines. Then simply click on the Start Screener button and answer a few easy questions such as your name, job, where you're from, your age, and so on. Once you've answered these questions, you'll be able to join the project and start earning money through PayPal. So since you've watched the video up to this point, I'm gonna give you a bonus by showing you the second somewhat hidden method for making extra PayPal money fast and easy, and you can do everything on this website without doing any of the hard work yourself. This is one of the simplest ways to earn PayPal money very quickly. You can now earn PayPal money by referring your friends and co-workers to this paid research study. This means that you don't have to participate in the survey yourself. You can simply refer others and earn money. This is where the magic happens. We can literally just go in and share a referral link with other people, whether it's on Facebook, LinkedIn, email, or anywhere else. Now, don't worry, I'll share with you a very special place where you can share your referral link and earn a lot of money online, even if you're a complete beginner. Plus, I'll provide you with 2 templates that you can simply copy and paste to make a lot of PayPal cash online, so make sure to keep watching and stay tuned for that. As you can see, our average referral bonus is $50 and it is paid to you via PayPal. For every person you suggest, you can instantly earn $50 with no limit. Again, this is a lot of PayPal money. Just think, if you recommend 10 people, we can make $500 without having to work on any of these projects. This is a great way to earn money passively. All you need to do is refer them to go to this website at respondent.io. Do everything we suggested you to do to earn money from home. The second thing I want you to do is go to webmastersun.com, which is an online money-making forum. Many people are already aware of this topic, and I'd want to share it with you since I believe it'll help you earn even more money. Now, when you come over to this forum, you'll notice that there are a lot of individuals submitting forum posts, for example this one right here, and many more of these forum posts. If you scroll down below, all of which have a lot of views. Check out this one. It has the same number of views as of this one, and this one. This wall is still very new right now, so if you can receive a lot of clicks and free visitors to click on your referral link, and you'll get rewarded $50 if they sign up. For each referral, you'll receive $50 in PayPal money. You can see all these other people posting on this forum right now, and it's just a basic post. However, I understand that many of you may not know exactly what to say in the post, which is why I'd like to share with you my forum post template, which you can simply copy and paste to start earning PayPal money, as can be seen. Hello, I'm just putting your name here, and I'm new to this site. Nice to meet you all. Just curious if anyone here has heard of Respondent.io. I've seen the site and it appears to provide a variety of earning opportunities. So what do you think? Now simply add your referral link here and say thank you. Now the reason this is so effective is that you're not pushing or spamming people. Instead, you're simply asking for their opinion, and there are a lot of people who will be very interested in clicking on this link. When users arrive at the website, they can choose whether or not to register. Well, some of them may not sign up at first, but some of them will eventually do so and begin working for you, and you'll receive $50 in PayPal money each time, allowing you to build your passive income every day. So this is a really strong post that you can just copy and paste. Now I'll move on to the second post I'd like to share with you. Here's what you can say to your post. I just had to share this with you. I recently discovered a website that constantly pays out $50 to $100. Are you interested in getting one for yourself? Check to see if the job is still open. After that, you only need to paste your link right here. It's actually pretty short and incredibly effective, so you can just copy and paste my two posts right here. These are my two copy and paste templates. Simply paste them into this forum and you can make $50 PayPal money online by referring people again and again. Now the second method that I just showed you is even better than executing the project yourself, and when you combine all of these methods, you can quickly and easily make a lot of PayPal money. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.